And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 124. Let me show you how I can use the spray tool to spray clones. So it's the second mode right here. Shown in the last video, you can spray copies. That's the first mode. And you might be obviously asking yourself, what's the difference? Let me create a rectangle like this, make sure it's selected, then activate the spray tool. We go to the copy mode first. You left click drag or just left click to create the copies. Let me create another one on the right hand side. Again, I make sure it's selected, activate the spray tool, now switch to clones. I left click drag or just left click, and again we have all of these copies. But there is a difference. Let's go to the left hand side and I can drag them around individually, recolor them, even resize them. So these are actual copies. On the right hand side I can move them around, but if I try to recolor them, that doesn't work. And that's because the clones are always connected to the basic shape. So the initial one that we've used, which was this one right here. And if I select that and recolor this one, you can see all clones are recolored at the same time. Same goes for resizing and rotating and skewing. And that's the difference between a copy and a clone. A copy is then an individual shape. The clone is always connected to the initial shape that you've used. So keep that in mind when you use the spray tool. Choose the mode that you actually need. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.